Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a boat pose challenge. So we are going to do 100 boat poses, 10 repetitions, 10 sets, 10 repetitions in each set, total of 10 sets for a total of 100 reps. You can do this challenge however you want, but the goal is to finish 100 repetitions. It might take 10 minutes or even 30 minutes for some of you guys out there, but it doesn't really matter as long as you complete 100 repetitions. Now, if you like watching the content here on my channel, which I put out here every Fridays, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, please follow me on Instagram at @Anna_Maria_Tom. You can see more of me and Leo over there as well. And I think that is everything. Do you want to add anything? No, I think he's happy too. So let's meet you on the mat. Okay, also we are gonna start with our first set. So you can either put your leg up here, or if you have like stronger hamstrings, go all the way up here. I'm gonna do this because I do not have that kind of a strong hamstring. So let's go. So sit one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, let's take a couple seconds, deep breaths here, shake it off. Alright, we are gonna go to set number 2 in 3, 2, 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right. My baby is staring at me. He loves when I work out. Okay, one more breath. Alright, we're gonna go to set number 3. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So set 3 complete. We are almost halfway. Almost, right? Shake it up. And here goes set number 4. In 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whew. Quads may be already starting to fire. One more breath. Alright, we are going to a 5th set. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo. Alright, so we are halfway through the exercise and just 5 more sets to go. Alright, we are headed to set number 6. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take 3 breaths. Stretch it out if you want. Hey, set number 7. In 3, 2, 1. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is hard, okay? This is not an easy exercise. If you cannot finish 100 repetitions and this is your first try, just stop at 50 and then complete. Do it again in a couple of days or so. So set number 8. In 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright guys, so 20 more reps to go and we are done. Do not give up now. We're almost there. Almost there, do not give up. Okay. So the 9th set coming your way. The 3, 2, 1. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10. Oh, that was hard. Okay, so the last 10 repetitions, and we are done. Sorry, that's my baby becoming restless in the background. But he's cute. Alright, so the last set comes your way. In 3, 2, 1. Here we go. 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 7, 8, 99, 100. Woo! Good job. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you like watching my content here on my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. Ring the notification bell and yeah, so that you'll be notified every single time I upload a video. Sorry about the baby. Reality of my life. Also follow me on Instagram at Ann_Marie_Cham. That is it for today. We'll see you next week with another brand new video.